They're two persons
Are
who
they
possess
two
the same
humans?
human nature.
Are me and you two humans? Yes or no?
Yeah, you can consider us
All
two
right, don't
humans.
forget, this is me and this is you, X. I'm Abu, and you're X. So let's not get confused. Me and you are two
Well,
persons who.
my bad. Actually, we're not two humans. We're one human by essence. That's where you're getting confused at.
What the Aki, did you hear that?
Nigga, what?
Yeah, I'm a
X.
Christian.
What's going on, man?
But,
Thanks for coming. I
hello.
was getting bored, man.
Go ahead.
I wanted to
And
talk.
so, what's your reduction against the Trinity?
Yeah, I've got a few. So I'm gonna start off with the lightweight one, and then I'm gonna get into the heavy one. The lightweight one shouldn't take long. So, are you familiar with the whole philo talk? Hypostatic, hypostasis, osea, all that other stuff.
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right, so the Trinitarian claim is that each person of the Godhead, shares the same osseous, right? The same divine nature, God nature, divine essence, right?
Yeah, co-equal in essence. Yeah.
All right, so the divine nature itself is not an actual agent with a cognition mind. That it's just a category. The actual God or gods would be the persons of the Trinity, correct?
Yeah. There's not going to be gods. It's just going to be God because there's one essence.
So because there's one essence, there's one God.
Yes.
Human beings have one essence. Why are we not one human?
Yeah. So again, if we're going to be referring to essence, if all humans have one essence, then we share the same essence, same as the Trinity. So, for example, the Son has a divine essence. The Father has a divine essence. They're going to be co-equal in essence. A human has a divine essence, but they're not the same person. But they still share the same human essence, so they're going to be co-equal in
But
essence, same as the Trinity.
the Father and the Son aren't the same person.
Yeah, of course. Just like our humans aren't the same person, but they have the
And
same essence.
But human beings are not the same person, but they have the same essence. So why are we not one human?
Yeah, so we're not one human in a sense of personhood. We are one human in a sense of essence.
All right, so in a sense of essence, humans are one human. God is one God, right?
Yeah, so
But
regarding essence,
but in a sense of persons, individualizations, hypostases, we are multiple humans, so they are multiple gods, correct?
no, cause see, the thing that you're getting wrong here is that, so for example, I'll give you another example. A human has an essence. So let me just use you. Abu Nuri has an essence. I have an essence. So therefore, we share the same essence because we have a human essence. But we are different persons. I'm Jacoby, you're Abu Nuri.
So we're two people, right?
Yeah, two
Two
people, two
humans.
persons.
Two
Two
humans.
persons. Yeah.
Two humans, right?
Yes.
All right, so the Father and the Son share the same essence, but they are two different people. Same thing you just said about the humans. They're two different people. So they are two persons, two gods, right?
Two different persons, not two different gods.
Hold on. So
What?
let me draw it out.
Yeah, bring the board up.
Let me draw it out. So let's draw it out. Let's make it.
It's not really that hard to understand, bro.
Yeah, it must be because I'm not tracking. So you said.
All right, so we're gonna. I'll help you on that.
I got you. So 1, 2, 1, 2. So 1, 2. God, nature, human nature. So Abu, and I'm going to put you as X. So we're going to put J, we're going to put S. Okay, so let's just make sure that we're all tracking. So there's one divine nature, the God nature, and there's one human nature. So, but we have two persons of the human nature. We have Abu, that's me, and X, that's you. These
What
are
do you mean two
two.
persons? Wait, hold. Wait, wait. You said two persons of the human nature.
Yeah, we both share the human nature, do we not?
Yeah, me and you. Yeah.
All right, so I'm a person of the human nature. I possess the human nature. You're a person of the human nature. You possess the human nature.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's two persons.
Yeah.
Which means that, hold on. Let's just
two different
persons
persons with the same essence because we're both human.
I got you. God and then human. Let's just make it even more clear so we can just be on. And let me just preface with this. A person who has the human nature is a human, correct?
Yeah. If you have the human, the essence, yeah.
A person with the God nature is God.
Say it again.
A person with the God nature is God.
Oh, yeah.
And a person with the human nature is human.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. So here we have two people of the human nature. We have Abu and we have X. Me and you are two persons. Thus, we are two humans, correct?
Yeah.
So here we have the God nature. You have two people of the God nature. We have J and S. So J and S both have this God nature. So they are two persons of the God nature. They are two.
Yeah, they're gonna be two. They're gonna be two persons who possess the same nature.
Just like these are two persons who possess the same nature, but they are two.
Yeah. Two humans.
And these are two.
Two persons that possesses the same nature.
No. That what you just did made zero sense.
So
we just said these are two persons of the human nature.
Yes, these are two persons who possesses the human nature.
They are two.
They're two persons.
Are they two humans?
Yeah, so again, when you say humans, where are you counting by? Are you counting by essence?
No, I'm counting by the classical counting method.
I will only say it's two humans if we're counting by essence.
You would say if we're counting by essence is two humans?
Not essence, but personhood.
Why in the hell would I be counting by essence, bro?
Yeah, I would say it's only two humans if we're counting by personhood. My bad.
Okay, how else do we count? Do you count rocks by essence?
No.
What do you count by essence?
No, bro. I said I was wrong on that. I just made.
My bad. Okay, no problem.
All right,
so human nature. We got two people who share the human nature. They are two
people who share the human nature are just gonna be.
Let me circle it for you.
You're gonna count those as two persons.
Yeah, no problem. We got two persons who share the human nature. They are two
persons.
Are they two humans? Yes or no?
They're two persons.
Are they two humans? Are me and you two humans? Yes or no?
Yeah, you can consider us two humans.
Don't forget, this is me and this is you, X. I'm Abu and you're X. So let's not get confused. Me and you are two persons.
Actually, my bad. Actually, we're not two humans. We're one human. By essence. That's where you're getting confused at.
What the f***? Aki, did you hear that?
Nigga, what?
I don't.
TikTok.
I don't know why this is funny.
Purposes, he was talking about the unit of electricity, the measurement of energy.
Even your Salafi Muslim understand this, bro.
That's what he was talking about.
Wait,
he's talking about. Hold on, X. I'm talking to
little
TikTok.
TikTok shop.
Yeah, TikTok shop. He was talking about watts, man.
I was talking about what TikTok.
Yeah,
I little TikTok shop.
Hey man.
Yeah.
Hey man. Hey man. I'm about to put this belt on you. What the helions are you talking about, bro? We're not two human beings, man.
We have the same essence. If you're saying by essence, no, we're not gonna be two.
What
humans.
the hell do you count by essence, man?
You would just say two persons,
do
not
you
two
go
humans.
outside and look at a field of you look at a field of rocks and say that's a beautiful rock?
Hey man, he see a mountain range. He say that's one mountain.
If I were to say if I was a child and I said to my father in a field full of rocks, "Wow, that's a beautiful rock," and my dad said, "Which one?" And I said, "Hold on," and I said, "All of them," he'd smack me upside my damn head.
All right, so let me help you here.
Please do.
When we count, do we count by essence or do we count by personhood?
Name one goddamn thing you count by essence.
Exactly. So that means we count by personhood.
Then
so
why
when
are
I
you?
see two,
Then
when
why
I,
the hell are you counting by essence, man?
Wait, hold on.
Okay.
Wait.
Bro,
Actually,
oh my
wait.
God,
hold
bro.
on. Pause, X. Abu, you don't realize he just tried to do a bait and switch on you. Because he said, do we count by essence or do we count by persons?
Yeah,
now
he
that
agreed.
both of those questions, both of those
are goofy.
Both of those things presume his nonsense philosophy.
We count by quantity, man. We count by quantity. We count by distinction. We count by quantity and distinction.
Exactly. Is the essence distinct from the person?
No, that doesn't track, sir.
Exactly.
No. I'm not saying no to your question.
You go outside,
I'm not saying no. I'm not saying no to your question. I'm saying no. I'm saying no to your line of thinking. No, you're tripping. I don't go outside and count bottles by essence. Hey, everybody.
I'm not saying count by essence.
Hold on. And I don't count them by persons. How many bottles am I holding?
3.
What are you counting by?
Counting by personhood.
These are persons? These are persons.
No, I'm saying you can count by. Bro, what the hell is wrong with you?
Bro, are these persons? Yes or no, man?
Hey man, they got the bottle essence, man.
No, they're not going to be persons, but if you count by type token, you could just say 3 bottles. I mean,
okay, so what are these? These are 3 bottles. What are you counting by? Why is it not 1 bottle?
The material.
Because so if I were to fuse them together, would they be 1? It'd be one big. If I fuse them together, it'd be 1 big old bottle, right?
Yeah, bro, this is a bad example.
Hey, man, if I fuse these bottles... No, this is a perfect example. If I fuse these bottles together, how many bottles would I have? I'd have 1 big old bottle, right?
Yeah.
So you count by quantity and you count by distinction. That's what you count by. You don't count by essence. You don't count by persons. You count by quantity and or distinction.
Exactly.
Thank you.
I never disagreed, bro.
You did.
I never said we count by essence. Well, the first time I did, but I said I made a mistake. But so,
hey man, all right, no problem. I got you. Now we're all on the same page. No problem. Now that we're all on the same page, let's try this one more time. I have you and me. We both share the human nature. We are 2 persons. We are how many humans?
Yeah, so since 2 persons are going to possess the human nature, we're going to count them as 2 humans by personhood.
Thank you. Hold on, what?
Yeah, we're going to count them as 2.
Hey, bro,
two
what else?
Distinction.
So you're counting us by personhoods because we share the same essence?
Yeah, I'm going to be counting you by personhood, yeah.
Is that the regular way you count things?
Yes, bro.
No problem.
You didn't think about classical logic?
I got you. No problem. No problem. So you said you're counting these by persons. So you have how many humans?
2 humans.
All right. So a person who has the human nature is a human, right?
Yeah.
A person who has the God nature is a God, right?
Yeah.
All right. So you're counting this by persons. No problem. How many humans is it?
1. Because they all share the same essence.
Goofy, no
if
doubt.
me and you have the same essence, why would I count?
You ever go to school?
Wait.
Costello?
I ain't gonna lie, I'm Muslim, but I don't understand how y'all understand this stuff.
You're Muslim?
I'm just trolling right now. But look,
I don't think so.
I don't believe this guy for a second.
Deal, bro, like if a Trinitarian came up and said this, it wouldn't be nothing wrong with it. Because we don't count by essence.
Bro, you're the only one counting by essence, G. Humans have the same essence. What is there to count? There's only one human essence. What is there to count? So how many humans are we?
Me and you are two humans.
How many gods is this?
Well, they're going to say it's going to be one God because they share the same essence.
We don't count by essence. There's only one. What is there to count?
Yeah, you can count by personhood.
If we count by person, how many gods is this?
Yeah, if you're going by personhood, it's going to be three persons.
No, sir. No, the hell no, sir. Elder, bring that back, bro. Bring that back, bro. Bring that back, bro. He's got to get walked down on this.
Oh
Muslim or Christian, you're getting walked down on this, sir. We just counted the same way over here. You didn't say these were two persons. You said these counting by persons, like you are. You said these are two humans, right?
Yes, bro.
Okay, so over here, we're still counting by persons. Nothing has changed. How many gods is it?
Why are you saying how many gods if you're counting by personhood? Gods and
How many humans is it if we're counting by personhood?
There's gonna be two humans.
How many gods is it if we're counting by personhood?
It's gonna be three persons. I don't know why you're saying God, bro.
If you don't know why I'm saying God, bro.
Listen, if you're saying, let me help you out here. If you're saying God, you're referring to the divine nature.
Okay.
When you say human, you're referring to the person.
Humanity.
You said.
Humanity.
Exactly.
Correct.
Exactly. So you're counting when you say humanity, you're counting by human essence. It's gonna be one essence.
Bro? I'm about to cuss you out, bro. Who the hell is gonna count humans by human nature? Where
I don't say.
Hold on.
I'm not saying that, bro.
You just said it, bro. What's wrong with you?
No, I'm saying we don't count by essence. I said we
You're
count
right.
by persons.
That's not what you just said, but maybe you misspoke. You're right. That's exactly correct, bro. No, number one, we don't count by personhood. We count by quantity or distinction. It's rare.
Yes.
In rare cases, do we count by personhood. For instance, a Siamese twin, you would count by persons in that specific situation. But in any other
distinctions.
The distinction of personhood in that case. In any other case, You're not counting by persons. You're counting by individualization. You're counting by distinction, quantity.
That's what I just said, bro.
Thank you. So I don't understand why you're saying,
the Son is not the Holy Spirit. They're three distinct persons.
Sir, according to the Christians, no problem.
So we count them as three persons.
You can count them as 3 persons, 10 persons. You can count these as 2 persons too. That's fine. But how many humans is it?
It's gonna be one.
Bro.
So me and you are one human.
Yeah, because we share the same essence.
Get the hell off my panel. You get up out of here.
Get out of here.
Get the hell up out of here.
Get out of here.